Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to your YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing about the most awaiting topic, that is the income tax calculation for the financial year 2021-22. Income tax slabs for financial year 2021-2022, assessment year 2022-23. Income tax slab for resident individuals aged less than 60 years, both male and female. As you all know that today the Finance Minister has produced the budget. In this budget, the new income tax slabs has been discussed. So the new income tax slabs has two options, that is the old income tax slab and the new tax regime. Let us discuss about old income tax slab for the individuals whose age is less than 60 years. Up to 2,50,000, the income tax percentage is nil. From 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, the income tax percentage is 5%. From 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, the percentage is 20%, and above 10 lakhs, it is 30%. When it comes to new tax regime, up to 2.5 lakhs, the tax percentage is nil. 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, the tax percentage is 5%. From 5 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs, it is 10%. 7.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, it is 15%. From 10 lakhs to 12.5 lakhs, it is 20%. From 12.5 lakhs to 15 lakhs, it is 25%. And above 15 lakhs, it is 30%. So depending upon the requirement of each individual, each person can opt for new tax regime or old tax slab, whichever is favorable for each individual depending upon the income which is generated for the specific financial year 2021-22. Income tax slab for individuals more than or equal to 60 years but less than 80 years, known as senior citizens, both male and female. Even this tax slab has two options, that is old income tax slab and new tax regime. Let us now understand what are the tax percentages in old income tax slab. Up to 3 lakhs, it is nil. 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, 5%. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 20%. And above 10 lakhs, it is 30%. When it comes to new tax regime, up to 2.5 lakhs, it's nil. 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, it is 5%. 5 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs, 10%. 7.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 15%. 10 lakhs to 12.5 lakhs, 20%. 12.5 lakhs to 15 lakhs, 25%. And about 15 lakhs, it is 30%. Income tax slab for individuals more than or equal to 80 years, known as super senior citizens, both for male and female. Even for this tax slab, it has two options, that is old income tax slab and new tax regime. Let us now understand old income tax slab. Up to 5 lakhs, it is nil. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 20%, and above 10 lakhs, it's 30%. And when it comes to new tax regime, up to 2.5 lakhs, nil. 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, it's 5%. 5 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs, it's 10%. 7.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 15%. 10 lakhs to 12.5 lakhs, 20%. 12.5 lakhs to 15 lakhs, 25%, and above 15 lakhs, it is 30%. Income tax slab for resident individuals aged less than 60 years for both male and female. This income tax slab gives a clear picture about the percentages and the amount of tax to be paid as per the income generated for each individual for the financial year 2021-22. If you go through this table, you will get a clear picture about the tax deductions and tax paid to the income tax department. 0 to 2.5 lakhs is nil in new regime and nil in old regime. 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, it's 5% in new regime and same 5% in old regime. 5 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs, in new regime, it's 12,500 plus 10% of income tax exceeding 5 lakhs. When it comes to old regime, it is same 12,500, but the percentage is 20% of income exceeding 5 lakhs. When it comes to 7.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, in new regime, it's 35,500 plus 15% of total income exceeding 7.5 lakhs. When it comes to old regime, it is 62,500 plus 20% of total income exceeding 7.5 lakhs. When it comes to 10 lakhs to 12.5 lakhs, in new regime, the amount is 75,000 plus 25% of total income exceeding 10 lakhs. And in old regime, it is 1,12,500 plus 30% of total income exceeding 10 lakhs. When the tax is in between 12 lakh 50,000 to 15 lakhs, the tax rate in new regime is 1 lakh 25,000 plus 25% of the total income exceeding 12.5 lakhs. And in old regime, the tax rate is 1,87,500 plus 30% of total income exceeding 12,50,000. Finally, when the income is more than 15 lakhs, the tax rate in new regime is 1,87,500 plus 30% of total income exceeding 15 lakhs. Whereas in old regime, the tax rate is 2,62,500 plus 30% of total income exceeding 15 lakhs. So dear friends, this is the tax rates in the income tax slabs for different incomes earned by the individual in new regime and old regime. So depending upon the income tax slabs and depending upon the income tax rates, the individual can pick up whichever regime helps the individual to pay less tax to the income tax department. The major differences in old regime and new regime is that in new regime, exemptions are not allowed, whereas in old regime, the exemptions like 80C, 80CCD and 80D are allowed. So depending upon the feasibility, please pick up the old regime or the new regime. Important notes for new tax regime. Please note that the tax rates in the new tax regime is the same for all categories of individuals, that is individuals and HUF up to 60 years of age, senior citizens above 60 years up to 80 years and super senior citizens above 80 years. Hence, no increased basic exemption limit benefit will be available to senior and super senior citizens in the new tax regime. Individuals with net taxable income less than or equal to 5 lakhs will be eligible for tax rebate under section 87A, that is, tax liability will be nil of such individual in both new and old existing tax regimes. Basic exemption limit for NRIs is Rs 2.5 lakhs irrespective of age. Additional health and educational cess at the rate of 4% will be added to the income tax liability in all cases. Surcharge applicable as per tax rates below in all categories mentioned: 10% of income tax if income is more than 50 lakhs, 15% of income tax if total income is more than 1 crore, 25% of income tax if total income is more than 2 crores, and 37% of income tax if total income is more than 5 crores. Important notes of old tax regime. Income tax exemption limit is up to 2.5 lakhs for individuals HUF below 60 years aged. An additional of 4% health and education cess will be applicable on the tax amount calculated above. Surcharge: 10% of income tax where total income exceeds 50 lakhs up to 1 crore. 15% of income tax where the total income exceeds 1 crore. Let us now understand the tax rebate of 5% under section 87A. There is a tax rebate of 5% under section 87A whose income is between 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs or 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs in the existing or old tax regime. It is same in new tax regime where 5% of tax rebate is applicable under the section 87A. This applicability is for the resident individuals whose age is less than or equal to 60 years. Whereas this tax rebate is nil for the resident individuals whose age is more than 60 years and below 80 years, and also for the individuals whose age is more than 80 years, whose income is between 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs, whose income is between 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, and if the individual age is between 60 years to 80 years, 5% of tax rebate is applicable, whose age is above 80 years and who are generating an income of 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, the tax rebate is nil. New updates for the financial year 2021. So dear guys, you might be thinking that whatever the tax slabs and income tax rate has been discussed is same as for the financial year 2020-2021. So you might be thinking why I am discussing the same income tax slabs and income tax rate even for the financial year 2021-22. Because there is no changes has been made for the financial year 2021-2022. which means the same income tax slabs at the rates which has been followed for the financial year 2020-2021 are same for the financial year 2021-2022. But there are few updates which has been submitted in the budget which we will be discussing now. For senior citizens age above 75 years and the source of income is only through pension and interest are not required to file the ITR, which means the senior citizen whose age is above 75 years and the source of income is only through pension and through interest on the income, they are not required to file the ITR, which means they are exempted from filing ITR. Pre-filling or autofill in returns, capital gains, dividend income, interest from bank and post office. Earlier, while filing the income tax returns, there were only few autofill or pre-fill details which are already available in the income tax filing, like the salary, tax deducted, and from where the tax has been deducted are added. But now, in this financial year 2021-22, while filing the income tax returns, autofill will be happening, which will give a clear picture about the capital gains, the dividends, income, and also the interest from banks and the post office. During the financial year 2021, the assessment reopening was for 6 years, but that has been decreased to 3 years in the financial year 2021-22. The tax limit for tax audit has been increased from 5 crores to 10 crores, but 90% transaction should be in the digital mode. During the financial year 2021, the limit for tax audit was only 5 crores. Now, during this financial year, the limit for tax audit has been increased to 10 crores, but the transaction should be in the form of digital mode and that should be at least 95%. ATC limit remains same, that is 1.5 lakhs per annum. ATC is same as the previous financial year, that is the limit of ATC is a 1.5 lakhs per annum. There is no change in ATC limit. Standard deduction remains same, that is 50k per annum. As it was 50k of standard deduction per annum in the last financial year, it is the same even for the upcoming financial year, which remains unchanged. And also there are no changes in the GST, which means the GST terms, rules and regulations which were followed in financial year 2021 are same for the financial year 2021-22. So dear friends, in this video we have discussed about the new income tax slabs and income tax rates, important notes, and also the new updates during the financial year 2021-2022. If you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.